I've removed the front and back lids, unscrewed them, so you can see this. Well, it's a lovely mint condition white enamel dial. It's got red 5-minute markers around the outside and black minute markers. Lovely Gothic numerals and wonderful hands. They're very rare, these hands. They're Illinois. They're called diamond kite hands. I'll just wind the watch for you so you can see the second hand going round. Yeah, it's ticking away nicely. The lever's situated just here, so if you pull that lever out, you can then set the hands. It's meant to be far more precise because once you push the lever back in, the hands won't move when the crown moves. And that's a lovely dial. And the movement, well, it's 23 dual movement. I think it's got everything, virtually everything on it you can get on a pocket watch, more or less. And it's probably one of the best pocket watches ever made. Superb gold chain and gold balance wheel with gold timing screws. There's really no expense been spared on this watch. And it's very, very accurate, as one would expect. Anyway, thank you very much for looking, and please stay safe.